You've learned to attract attention and avoid the miserable. Now, learn to make people need you. Law 11. Learn to keep people dependent on you. A free man is a dangerous man. Make yourself indispensable. If people cannot function without you, they dare not betray you. Give them gifts, solve their problems, become their oxygen. Then watch how gently they treat you. Otto von Bismarck made himself so essential to the Prussian king that the king couldn't dismiss him, even when he hated him. Dependency is the ultimate leash. Law 12. Use selective honesty and generosity to disarm your victim. Sincere act of honesty can cover 1,000 lies. Be brutally truthful about something small, then strike when their guard is down. Generosity works the same way. A single gift can erase suspicion for years. The con artist doesn't lie all the time. He tells the truth just often enough to make the big lie invisible. Law 13. When asking for help, appeal to people's self-interest, never to their mercy or gratitude. No one acts out of charity. They act out of gain. Don't say, "Help me, I'm suffering." Say, "Help me, and you'll profit." Frame your request as an opportunity, not a burden. "I need food" gets you a scrap. "I can double your harvest" gets you a feast. Law 14. Pose as a friend. Work as a spy. Information is the skeleton key to power. Pretend loyalty while gathering intelligence. Ask casual questions. Listen to complaints. Note who hates whom. Then use that knowledge, quietly, to advance yourself. Joseph Fouché, Napoleon's Minister of Police, had spies in every salon. His friends didn't know they were his informants. Neither should yours. Law 15. Crush your enemy. Totally a wounded enemy is more dangerous than a healthy one. Half measures invite revenge. If you strike, strike to destroy. Not just their power, but their will to fight back. Leave nothing to regrow. The Chinese general Sun Tzu said, "Build your enemy a golden bridge to retreat across." No, that's mercy. This is power. Crush them, totally. Chapters 11 through 15. Dependency, deception, self-interest, spying, and total destruction. You are no longer a player. You are becoming the one they fear. Next, chapters 16 through 20. The laws of reputation and absence.